Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to log in into your Queensland Rail Employee account. To do so, follow some simple steps which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and search for Queensland Rail Employee Login. And over here you can see the options. Click on the second option, Queensland Rail, or type in jobs.queenslandrail.com. It will take you to the official website of Queensland Rail, and over here on the top right hand you can see the profile login. Click on the profile login. It will take you to the login page. Here it says if you already have an account, enter your email address of that account like this and enter your password of that account. If you guys get confused what you typed, you can click on the show options to confirm your password. Once you do that, click on the sign in button. You should be able to log in into your Queensland Rail Employee account. And in case if you forgot your password, you can recover it by clicking on forgot your password. And also if you guys want to create an account or you guys are not a registered user yet, you can click on create an account to apply for your career opportunities. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. And also hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.